But we saw these other guys step up as well later throughout the game.
Yeah, laking bagay when everyone else contributed to USD. That meant Collins had breathing room. Of course, we can't just pick him up all the time. Cabanero will be there. Also the other guys like Paranada, Padigao, Sido. USD's depth there, while not being heralded, kind of showed, at least in that moment, when they were chipping away and eventually overturned that deficit into a lead. It was 11 down to 11 up in that quick stretch after that Paranada, Gomez, and Baclan incident there in the third. Kind of felt like we won the battle, but we lost the game kind of thing there, the war. Yeah, I guess the focus on Akowe was valid and we were doing well, but then when everyone else contributed for USD, that also made Collins more comfortable that he sees everyone contributing. So nahawa na.